Hello? Recording? Is it working? Yes. Oh, it's a quick headlight switch out on a Subaru 2010, like 107,000 miles on. So it's actually nice out. I got these cheap headlights, low beams. I've never heard of this brand. If you have, let me know in the comments. But to get to these light bulbs, we're gonna these little caps over here. You might have to take the battery box out if you can't fit your hand in here like I can, and the battery. This side, there's usually 2 push pins in here, but this is probably the 9th time I've done headlights in this thing. So a zip tie will work, and then that one is actually, oh, that zip tie didn't even work. That one's even easier to reach. So just gonna twist these caps off here. And then you get access to your headlight right there. Which way do you spin? Left. That's right, lefty loosey. I just got this GoPro like a week ago. Just pulled it out of the box, charged it up. Haven't touched it since. But I'll set you right here. This bulb out of the way. There we go. So this one actually still worked, but I'm replacing it anyway. Replace it in pairs. Get this cover off and do the same thing. Maybe I have to pull this out of the way. No, let me try this. This hand. There we go. Same thing. Lefty loosey. Out it comes. Set you right there. You probably can't see nothing I'm doing. Oh yeah. Now this one's burnt up. You can see the filament's just gone in there. So this is obviously the problem. But I'm gonna go find a pair of gloves, because you don't want to touch new headlights with your fingers. You get your oils on there, they could heat up. It could potentially break the light. Try to get this thing out of the package one-handed. Whoa! Almost lost it. You know what works real good for opening headlights? Old headlights. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. And I'm gonna put this one in on the driver's side. Plug it in first. Let's see if I can set you right there. Maybe. Click. Again, try not to touch the filament on this thing. Let's get it seated. Rotate it again, maybe. Holy goodness. It's a headlight. Why is it flat? Oh, that's why. You gotta put it in the right way, not the wrong way. There we go. Clicked in there. Now this is going to be fun. I'm sure of it. Oh yeah. Oh, get that little cap back on there. Sweet. How come? Is it still recording? Oh, the screen goes black? Man, stop messing with me, GoPro. There we go. Thing's playing tricks on me. Well, that's what happens when you don't read the manual, right? Never knew. I don't read the manual on anything. Unless it's something I'm trying not to break, then I really read the manual then. Just to make sure. And this is also not lining up right. Played that game where you put the shapes in the box. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Except none of the shapes make sense. Make sure you get your wiring out of the way before you crunch it. Get off. And we'll come over this way. so you can get a better angle of my hand here as we try to put this cap on without dropping it into the abyss. I don't even know if you can see because the screen's off again. There we go. Twist. Screen? How do you turn it on? But anyway, we're gonna proceed. Hopefully it's recording. It's blinking. Put this back in here. And since I didn't destroy the zip tie that I can't see on the screen, because the rubber grommet came off instead. Oh man, I'm gonna need like 2 hands. Alright, I got it. It's like press the button to highlight mode. Oh my god. I'll just stop turning this screen off. That'd be great. Alright, let's see if these things work. I know I got car keys. This is my car. Uh-oh. I couldn't have messed that up, could I? There's one. Alright, no, it's good. It's good to go. Thank God, that was difficult. Alright, thanks for watching.